October is a particularly scary month at our house. You've got Halloween, you've got the Vikings. It is also the month the car insurance renews. The envelope, please. No claims, no new drivers, same coverage, a 17% hike. Looks like a lot of you are feeling the same pain. Price increases for lots of things in the CPI basket are slowing down, but car insurance nationally is up 19% year over year, a lot like mine. These month-to-month numbers show premiums right now are rising at around a 30% annual rate, which means this is far from over. So what is going on? First, American driving has bounced back big time from the pandemic when insurers did something almost unheard of. They lowered premiums and gave rebates. Now we're all back on the road and they're making up for lost ground. But there is so much more, such as the cost of car repair. My colleagues at the Minneapolis Fed have a new article explaining why car repair inflation is at 15%. Insurers pay those bills in an accident, so of course they're going to raise the rates. And then there's this, which you probably already sense, but it's more fun hearing it from this bona fide insurance expert at the University of Minnesota.
I mean, people are driving insanely.
Across almost every metric surveyed by AAA, speeding, texting, drinking, Americans are driving riskier since the pandemic. And Professor Andy says there's a co-starring role here for the weather effects of climate change. Wind and hail and floods are bad for cars. They're also bad for the houses and boats these same companies insure.
Insurance companies are equipped to deal with that, but they have to increase the rates, and they can change the premium every year as these storms increase.
No surprise, Miami and Tampa are now the most expensive cities to insure a car. With rates rising, you might want to take a little extra precaution to protect your sweet ride, like Professor Andy and his new cherry red Tesla taking evasive action in our last Midwest hailstorm.
I went under a bridge, I stopped until it stopped. No damage at all to that Tesla.
Speaking of Tesla, Professor Andy is a big believer that AI will help hold down car insurance rates long term by saving us from our own bad driving. Thanks to Andy Whitman at the Carlson School of Management, and I will see you next time we pull something out of the basket.